So everything started when our founders spent years working in industrial digitalization. We created the first digital customer platform as a service. We tried to translate critical machine errors delivered by industrial plants in real time into clear, actionable steps for our customers. These led us to explore AI solutions to enhance both the user experience and also the operational efficiency. We did a lot of research about different AI platforms and also different native models. But to be fair, we quickly come back to DigitalOcean's GenAI because it appeared to be so simple. It integrates easily in our existing infrastructure, and it's also cost effective, as well as cost transparency was really great for us. So for our small team, it's been a real game changer. Getting started with DigitalOcean's GenAI was incredibly easy. We really appreciated the intuitive design, where setting up and deploying our first agent took just like a few minutes. This allowed us to quickly implement AI capabilities without requiring extensive setup processes or even specialized expertise from our side. And that was truly a game changer for us. And what we want to mention is that at every stage of the process, the DigitalOcean team was incredibly supportive. So they always provided us valuable assistance, and they just made the experience seamless and efficient. And there was at each point, or at every point of the journey, there was someone at our side helping us out. And yeah, that was just a great experience.